Kel from Kincrome here to show you our new Kickstart II Batteryless Jump Starter range. KP8003 has 1000 amp 12 volt and 1600 amp 24 volt peak and is good for vehicles such as small motorbikes, jet skis, boats and larger vehicles such as heavy vehicle, trucks, farm machinery or even small planes up to 5.4 litres petrol, 3.5 litres 12 volt diesel and 7 litres 12 volt diesels. There's two ways to pre-charge the unit. First is with a donor vehicle, but the most common is with the flat battery that you've got in your current vehicle that you're stuck. So the ways to do this: connect the black clamp to the negative battery terminal, the red clamp to the positive battery terminal. The unit will turn on. You'll get a voltage readout of how much volts are in the battery. Once you turn the unit on, press the power button, it will then start the pre-charge function and get it all the way up to 12 or 14 volts for 12 volt vehicles or 28 volts for 24 volt vehicles. Now, if you are stuck in a heavy vehicle, 24 volt somewhere, and there's only a 12 volt vehicle, you can pre-charge it off a 12 volt battery. What you do is you charge it all the way up to 14 volts, push and hold the power button to change the mode from 12 volt to 24 volt, and that will continue you up to your 28 volts needed to jumpstart your heavy vehicle. In the event of an internal battery error, the following error will show, preventing any further damage to the unit and the battery. Ensure the jump starter is fully pre-charged and connected to the vehicle's battery. Press the glow plug mode button and the glow mode light LED indicator will flash red and green. Turn on the vehicle's ignition to preheat the glow plugs. After the vehicle's glow plug light goes out on the dash, you may start the vehicle. If your vehicle's battery is below 5 volts, bypass mode can be used. Pre-charge the unit from a donor 12 volt battery. Connect the jump starter to the vehicle by doing the following: disconnect the positive battery cable, connect the red clamp to the battery cable, then connect the black clamp to the negative terminal, turn the unit on, push and hold the on-off button to turn into bypass mode, flashing, and we've got on. Once the vehicle's started, connect the clamp back onto the battery terminal, turn off the unit and tighten up the terminal. All Kickstarters feature reverse polarity protection. In the event that you connect the clamps backwards, the display will show an error and prevent any further damage to the unit.